Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make fireworks in CapCut PC. This is very simple and easy. Let's get started. First, import your video clip to the timeline and then select the any fireworks of your choice. For this project, I am selecting this one. Click the plus icon and put on the top of the layer. Here we need to cut it down. So the next step is select the upper layer and go to the video and click on the mask. Click the add mask and select the film strip. And here you can see that arrow. You need to move on the upper side and adjust the position. And after that, go to the video and basics and click on the blend and click the drop down menu and select the brighten. Now adjust the clip and now play how it looks. It looks perfect. So we want to add 2 more fireworks in this project. So first select the fireworks layer and click the alt key and drag to the one layer up. Otherwise you can copy and paste. Now click on the top layer and here you can see a rotate arrow. You need to select it and position it to the on the video. And now and again press the alt key and create another copy of this fireworks. Now give the position and rotate it to the this side. So let's play it how it works. So I'm going to play it. Wow, it looks perfect and you can add multiple layers to the one clip. So I hope you understand how to add fireworks effects in the CapCut PC. So if you think this video helps and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.